Most people think they need an hour a day to make a difference. And of course, nobody has an hour a day to take care of themselves. But honestly, I started with just 15 minutes, and that is what changed everything for me. When I was trying to lose weight and get in shape in my 50s, and in my last video, if you saw that, I was talking about when I first got in shape in my late 30s, early 40s. Well, things went downhill after that. So you're not the only one. If that's happened to you, it happened to me too. And I never thought it would. But in my early to mid 50s, I was very inactive, overweight, and well, overweight for me. And I thought, okay, this time it really is too late. But guess what? It wasn't. Now I'm doing Ironman competitions at age 65. But when I was overweight and feeling lethargic and feeling stressed out and super busy, when I was in my mid 50s, I started with just a 15-minute walk. And it was short, consistent action, just a simple walk. And again, just like in my earlier years, once I started running, it was just a very slow, easy jog that was just a few minutes long. But the thing is, I showed up every day for just a short time. And my body adapted, my mind adapted, my muscles adapted. And pretty soon I was making real progress that I could actually see. And I felt more energetic. I felt happier just being outside and breathing that fresh air. Small, consistent action over time wins over being the weekend warrior, doing a whole bunch and then burning out. Just 15 minutes a day, consistently every day, adds up to over 90 hours a year without it ever feeling like a chore. So choose one daily non negotiable. Maybe it's a short walk after breakfast. Maybe it's a quick mobility routine or a yoga routine. Maybe it's a 15-minute strength set that you do with dumbbells at home. Pick something that feels easy and enjoyable. This is about building momentum. You're starting small with just one new habit, and then you're building another habit. You're stacking your habits. Small actions build your confidence. They increase your trust in yourself. Because let's face it, and I'm the same way, I'm not pointing fingers, but we break promises to ourselves all the time. And if we can show up for ourselves every day consistently in just building these tiny habits, then we start to trust ourselves again. And we start to have more confidence that we're going to do what we say we're going to do. And that confidence fuels more positive changes. That 15-minute walk that I told you about earlier, it helped me improve my food choices, because when my mood is lifted and I'm feeling a little more energized, I'm feeling a little happier in my body and just in my own mind and myself, I start making better food choices. And that is how it all started for me. So if you want 5 days of these small but powerful habits ready to follow, grab my free 5-day Jeans Jumpstart plan. The link is right below this video.